So if you want to download HD images from removebg for free in 2026, yeah, it's actually possible. You just need to use the right steps to avoid losing quality. First, start with a high resolution image. The better your original photo, the better your HD download will look. Next, use the free version of removebg. It automatically generates a cutout, but HD download options may be limited depending on usage. Now download the preview image first. This gives you a baseline version of your cutout. If you need HD quality, use an image upscaler after downloading. This improves resolution without losing too much detail. Always download in PNG format. It keeps transparency and preserves more detail compared to JPG. Never use screenshots. Always use the official download button to keep full resolution quality. If the image looks low quality, re-upload it and process again. Sometimes a second attempt gives a cleaner HD result. Finally, use a desktop browser if possible. It usually handles higher resolution downloads more reliably than mobile. And that's it. With these steps, you can get the highest possible HD quality from remove.bg even on the free version.